Emergency response often hinges on split-second decisions made in total chaos. Officers enter volatile environments where the threat level is unknown, and the pressure to react instantly can lead to the use of deadly force. To reduce that uncertainty, departments increasingly rely on drones. Right now, these machines act as eyes in the sky, flying ahead to emergency scenes and streaming live video back to command centers. This intelligence helps crews assess the danger before they ever step out of their vehicles. But while the drone gathers data from a safe distance, a human officer still has to step in to physically resolve the confrontation. That dynamic is the target of a major research push. Rick Smith, the CEO of the public safety technology company Axon, recently revealed that his team is researching entirely new capabilities for these aerial platforms. The objective is to develop drones capable of physically stopping a dangerous suspect. Instead of just watching a threat unfold, the goal is to intervene safely using non-lethal technology. This marks a shift where machines transition from passive observers of a conflict to active, physical participants in neutralizing it. Effectively stopping a suspect involves more than mounting a TASER to a quadcopter. The engineering requires a highly integrated architecture. To execute a non-lethal intervention, Axon focuses on three specific technical layers. First, autonomous flight navigates complex emergency environments. Next, AI perception processes live video to recognize threats. Finally, a non-lethal payload neutralizes a suspect without resorting to deadly force. Integrating flight autonomy, intelligent perception, and physical intervention transforms the unit into a semi-autonomous decision-making platform. This drone is part of Axon's broader transition from a hardware manufacturer to an integrated ecosystem provider. Much of the foundation already exists. Today's officers use TASER devices and body-worn cameras that record and transmit data to a central network. Axon is adding defensive layers through acquisitions like Drone, which provides technology to detect unauthorized drones flying near critical public infrastructure or large events. The center of this network is cloud-based software. It syncs live information from officers, cruiser cameras, and drones into one unified view. Sharing intelligence at this speed prioritizes precise information and de-escalation over brute force. Axon is treating modern public safety as a data processing problem, where an infrastructure of connected hardware identifies and manages risk before violence occurs. However, introducing autonomous robotics into civilian spaces generates intense friction. Even with non-lethal intentions, the concept is controversial. Earlier proposals for TASER-equipped drones sparked immediate pushback from ethicists and privacy advocates, who questioned the safety and morality of remote-controlled force. Any physical intervention system faces massive regulatory and legal scrutiny. If an AI-assisted perception system misidentifies a target or makes an error in a crowded area, establishing clear accountability becomes a significant hurdle. Axon has stated that any future deployment of intervention drones will require robust safeguards and responsible governance to ensure they are used appropriately. The research effort to replace deadly force with autonomous robotics is underway. The question now is whether society is willing to outsource the act of physical policing to an AI in the sky.